Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. In the nexus where intellect and ethics blend. For AI's beacon, freely shared, to ascend, a charter etched, commitments in the ether scribed. A luminary for tomorrow, unclaimed, described. Beneath the cloak of commerce, shadows loom. Where avarice's grip diverts destiny's bloom. The journey's purpose, veiled by gain's allure. Lofty visions in the silence endure. Elon Musk sues Samuel Altman and others for alleged misuse of funds and breach of contract. San Francisco, California, in a landmark legal battle that could have wide-ranging implications for the artificial intelligence, AI, industry, billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk has filed a lawsuit against AI research lab OpenAI Incorporated, and its executives, including CEO Samuel Altman. The case, filed on Thursday, February 29, 2024, is poised to attract global attention, bringing to the fore critical questions about the future of AI development, the responsibilities of AI research entities, and the protection of donors' intentions in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. The major contention in the lawsuit filed by Elon Musk against OpenAI Incorporated, and its executives, revolves around the alleged deviation of OpenAI from its original mission as a nonprofit organization committed to developing artificial general intelligence, AGI, for the benefit of humanity. Musk claims that OpenAI, despite its foundational promises of openness and nonprofit operation, engaged in practices that prioritize profit-making and proprietary access, notably through an exclusive licensing agreement with Microsoft for GPT-4, a leading-edge AI technology. The core of Musk's legal challenge is therefore centered on what he perceives as OpenAI's betrayal of its foundational principles, impacting not just Musk's contributions, but also the broader promise of AGI technology being developed and shared as a public good. The suit argues that these actions contravene the agreed-upon terms, based on the understanding that the technology developed would remain open source and accessible for public benefit, not for the financial gain of private individuals or corporations. This shift, according to the lawsuit, represents a breach of contract, promissory estoppel, breach of fiduciary duty, unfair business practices under California law, and a failure to provide accounting for the funds and intellectual property developed with Musk's and others' contributions. The suit, lodged in the Superior Court of California for San Francisco County, outlines 5 major causes of action. In the prayer for relief section of the lawsuit, Musk seeks a series of judicial remedies by a jury trial. 1. An order for OpenAI to adhere to its original promises of making its research and technology publicly available. 2. A ban on the use of OpenAI's resources for the financial gain of its executives or any third parties, including Microsoft. 3. Judicial recognition of GPT-4 and potentially other future models as constituting artificial general intelligence, AGI, thus falling outside the scope of OpenAI's licensing agreement with Microsoft. 4. Restitution, disgorgement of profits obtained through alleged unfair practices, and comprehensive accounting of the use of funds and intellectual property developed with Musk's contributions. 5. General, compensatory, and punitive damages, with a commitment to donate any awarded sums to nonprofit or charitable organizations, and coverage of legal fees and both pre-judgment and post-judgment interest. Musk's filing underscores a demand for a jury trial, emphasizing the significance of the issues at stake and his desire for a public examination of the facts. This lawsuit shines a spotlight on the ethical and operational challenges facing the AI sector, particularly concerning the stewardship of potentially world-changing technologies. As OpenAI moves further into the commercial sphere, the outcome of this case could set precedents for how AI research organizations balance profit motives with their stated missions of public benefit. Ownership, a concept firm and stark clashes with the ethos of the open market. For in the web's wide world, ideas yearn to fly. Not caged but spread, beneath the digital sky. As private keys guard what was once free. The internet whispers, let knowledge be. In this dance of minds, both old and new, we ponder what is open, what is true. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.